Welcome back, everyone. There's a new quest from the Gains Award, which will happen on Thursday. But they're already giving away 700 orbs. Make sure to claim them now by watching this 30 seconds video. If you're on a MacBook like me, find video player arrow icon on the top right-hand side. Click that and drag the video's frame to the end of the video. This should do it. Just make sure to not play songs or run YT videos in the background, otherwise it will overlap. Now if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now the reason why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming Orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord, getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the Orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.